Hello and welcome. In this video I will install Postman. The latest version has a problem due to EULA. Postman switched from a PDF file to HTML and the package has not been updated. There is a workaround, but before we go into that, if you haven't enabled Arch user repository AUR, please do by going to preferences to AUR and then enable. Okay, let's build the software now, and of course it's failed because, as you can see, EULA.pdf failed, and that's the problem. Okay, let's just go back and try to edit the build file, because it gives you an option to build. When you hit build and then apply, you can see it gives you edit build file, so click there. Let's just try to come out EULA.pdf and just put pound sign in it. But the problem with that, you can see checksum just right underneath it, check for 3 files. So we have to comment out that show on checksum. The first one should be for the PDF. I'm gonna just cut it and then place it right here and then just comment it out. And just clear this white space. I don't think it's a problem, but let's just clear it out. Okay, and then save. Then let's build again. Okay, let's apply. And it's failed because it tried to copy the file and there is no file because we commented out. So that's another problem you need to basically just go back and just try to edit the build and then comes out wherever it's a moving or copying. You see this install, you see the S directory or RC directory, that's the one you need to come out. Okay, so that's our 3 lines you need to comment out or remove. Not lines, but 2 lines and a portion of a line. Okay, and transaction is successful. So now the Postman is successfully installed. This is just a workaround, but they will update this from PDF to HTML very soon. Okay, let's just launch Postman, and I'm gonna start my server. And let me just go to my sandbox website that I have it locally installed. So they have a Laravel API application. I'm gonna just basically visit secure pair because I don't have right now a token, so I will expect to get an error 401. If I get an error, then it's working. Yeah, everything is working fine. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like if you find this video helpful, and subscribe if you want. See you later. Bye.